Oh, our cute rainbow is now ready to shine. Wanna see the sun come alive? Let's have some magic. Abracadabra, magic. Oh, the sun is moving around and playing the hide and seek game. Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a cute rainbow with the sun behind. And at the end, the sun will come alive.
Wow!
So let's get started. Which one is your favorite color among the 7 rainbow colors? Mine is violet. Here is the sun. It is sleeping now. But very soon it will come alive. I am coloring the clouds with the sky blue color. I am putting now the light yellow color. I am putting now all the rainbow colors.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Oh, our cute rainbow is now ready to shine. Wanna see the sun come alive? Let's have some magic. Abracadabra, magic. Oh, the sun is moving around and playing the hide and seek game.
Riding on